How to change the password of your TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch a TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you select on your profile, it will take you to your profile page. So simply make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And as you do that, what you simply need to do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now select on settings and privacy. Here you can see the option of password. So simply select on password and you will be able to enter or get the code that will be sent to your email ID that you have associated to your TikTok account. So let's just check the Gmail. So let's check for the email ID over here. And after we verify our email address, it will just take us to a new page where you have to now create a new password. So this is the way you can change the password of your TikTok account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.